I'm going to make this short and sweet so we can get to the point and get your vehicle repaired. If you need transmission repair in Columbia, South Carolina, well, you're going to need transmission repair as soon as possible. Plus, you're going to need transmission repair at affordable price. Of course, we all need that. We need transmission repair done right the first time. This is where you come to get it done right the first time. Give us a call now to get the ball rolling. The phone number is just below the video. Call now.